Welcome to today's daily message. Dr. Martin Luther King is generally believed to be a 20th century prophet. And the reason for that is because he seems to have understood in ways that many of his fellow Americans did not, what at the deepest level it means to be both a Christian and an American. He understood that at the root of Christianity and at the root of our American dream is the idea that all people are equal. In Christianity, all are equal in the eyes of God. In America, all are equal under the law. Now, when we look at the ministry of Jesus, we should take a look at those people whom he chose to spend his time and his energy with. And so he spent his time with tax collectors, with lepers, with prostitutes, with women, with Samaritans, with widows. All of these people were considered unacceptable in the eyes of the society of his time. And yet, all of these people were considered first in Jesus' eyes. And so part of Jesus' message, a really critical part of his message and ministry, is that all people are equal in the eyes of God. And so we should ask ourselves today, who are those unacceptable people in our society? Who are those people in our own lives, in our own way of looking at things, whom we consider to be beneath us? And then we should consider in the eyes of the gospel that we are all equals. We are all equals on the most fundamental of levels. We are all equals in the eyes of God. Because of that, each one of us, every single person whom we meet, is a brother or a sister to us, because each person is created by the one God who is above us all. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.